Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the fuel pump in an Audi A3 8P. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting the car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. Next, relieve the fuel system pressure. This is a critical step to avoid fuel spray. Always work in a well-ventilated area to disperse any fuel fumes. Gather your tools, including a specialized fuel pump locking ring tool, before you begin the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement. To access the fuel pump, begin by locating the rear seat cushion. Lift it up to reveal the access panel, typically secured by 3 or 4 screws. Carefully remove these screws and lift the panel away. Before proceeding, thoroughly clean the area around the fuel pump to prevent any dirt or debris from entering the fuel tank. Then, disconnect the electrical connector and the 2 fuel lines, being mindful of any residual fuel. Now, it's time to remove the old pump. Employ your specialized fuel pump locking ring tool to loosen the large plastic retaining ring that secures the pump. Once the ring is loose, carefully lift the entire fuel pump assembly straight out of the tank. Be cautious, as there might be some fuel remaining in the pump housing. Take a moment to inspect the inside of the fuel tank for any signs of debris or contamination, ensuring a clean environment for the new pump. With the old pump removed, gently lower the new fuel pump assembly into the tank, ensuring it seats correctly. Use the locking ring tool to tighten the retaining ring firmly, securing the new pump in place. Reconnect the 2 fuel lines and the electrical connector, making sure they click securely. Finally, replace the access panel and fasten its screws, then reinstall the rear seat cushion. Start the engine and check for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.